Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add dash border to shape in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to add dash border to a shape. Firstly, we insert a shape in this document. We go to the Insert menu and click Shapes drop down menu and choose a shape and draw these shapes. Now I select the arrow shapes and draw. Now we can see here we insert a shape. Then we click the shape and go to the Format menu. Then click Shape Outline and choose a color. Now I select the red color. Then again go to the Shape Outline and choose dashes. Then click Dash Border. Now I select the dash border and we can see here we add dash border to a shape very easily. You can use another effect like shape effect, presets or shadow, reflection, glow, etc. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.